Welcome to DJ TV.
Listen how Peter Obi team of lawyers take address wetin sup for court yesterday.
Correct people, we greet una, welcome una to this our channel DJ TV, where ogbonge tori and update dey happen o. My people, if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una no waste time again o, make una rush now, make una go subscribe o, and also turn on that notification bell so that anytime wey we drop any update like this, una go dey notified gbagam. And our Facebook page, make una follow us and make una like. My people, make we quickly run enter the tori and updates wey we carry come for una this time around. Make una watch.
The presidential election tribunal update o. My people, the APC close their case after they present just one witness. After the plenty petitions against them, even the one witness wey they even carry come wey come represent themselves no even fit defend this matter. In short, e even use e hand shoot e leg sef by himself unto wetin e talk. Whether na the cross-examination wey Peter Obi lawyers and Labour Party lawyers give am abi make dem quickly close the case based on say make dem no use their hands put theirself for more problem cause am, who knows. Anyway, my people, make I no talk too much o, make I leave una now, make una watch this video and hear from this Peter Obi and Labour Party team of lawyers wetin dey talk concerning wetin play for inside court yesterday. My people, make una watch.
Where? Hello. I was said. I was said. Leave them. Let them put this thing. Excuse me, madam. Are you a journalist?
I'm not hearing you.
Let them. You are blocking their camera. Madam, please. Don't block the camera. We are here because of the camera.
Well, we thank God that this case has successfully come to successfully completed the hearing today, and the next stage is for us to go into writing of addresses. Well, you must have, I'm sure that you know that INEC called one witness, closed their case. Second and third respondents called one, closed their case. APC had no courage to call any, and they closed their case. The witness for the second and third, the only thing I can say, I encourage you people, look for his deposition, place it side by side with the cross-examination. You make up your minds and find out whether the two of them are consistent. I don't want to go further into that. You can do the investigation. So I can tell you that we are happy the way and manner the hearing ended. We are very ready to react to the addresses of the respondents, which they must file in the next 10 days from today. Thereafter, we will file our reply. Thank you. God bless you all. Now, it's very simple. the membership of His Excellency Peter Obi has been determined by the Federal High Court, and they went on to Court of Appeal. Court of Appeal confirmed the decision of the Federal High Court. So it's a no issue. It's a judgment in rem. It's a no issue. So we don't want to edify anybody by joining issues with something that does not exist. It's as simple as that. So I'll be surprised if they are not aware of these two judgments. If they are not aware of these two judgments, then it's not our fault. It's their fault. So that's it.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hey my people, now the updates will carry come from like this video some call to anyway, make una drop una comment and reason and see and make una no forget like and share. Now do well. See you in our next video. DJ